Hi guys. Today we are going to see how to add custom reviews to a Shopify store. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. So now let's see how to add custom reviews to a Shopify store with trustworthiness app. So now install this app. Install again and integrate with Shopify. At this stage, accept and carry on through with all the specified instructions. Click on Enable and install this widget. This page is dedicated to the review widget, where you can customize the final appearance of your reviews. Here you have to customize according to your own preferences. Choose the format that best suits your preferences, whether it be in grid or list form. You can choose the color of the review stars, with the golden option being recommended for optimal appeal. Date must be hide, then keep all options at their default settings. If you wish to display the country flag alongside the review, then select this option. Now go to the Customize page and enable this app. Now, navigate to the product page to observe how reviews are added and how they function. Customers can submit reviews using this, and we manually add multiple custom reviews through this option. Let's proceed to explore how to add a review. Add a photo is optional of the product, so now submitting your review. Refresh this page. Here we can see review is added. Now let's explore how to import reviews from AliExpress. Simply navigate to the review option, copy the AliExpress product link, paste it, and with a single click, all the reviews will be imported. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.